So welcome, everyone. Thank you for your time. I am Neetu Nivedita. I am a managing director within Accenture. I lead our data and AI projects for CMT, as well as I also lead our talent transformation AI projects. Today, we will see a really cool solution we have done at a client. And believe it or not, it is using one of the most awaited LLMs. It's using a lot of our large language model fine-tuning, as well as a lot of those features that Databricks has brought forward. So first, let me tell you the problem we were trying to solve. So people are an engine of transformation. What we have seen today is that there has been a lot of talk about how talent transformation is taking place. And what that means is that we needed a solution powered by Databricks to provide an AI-recommended talent strategy solution to our clients. And now with all the transformation and generative AI and everything, what organizations are looking for is a pathway to upskill their workforce and to get top-line revenue. So for that, we worked with one of our top clients to create a solution. Before I talk about the solution, I wanted to introduce the challenges that we are facing and what many of the organizations, Fortune 500 organizations, are facing today. So the most important thing here is that skills are a new currency. You've heard that, you know that. And with all the new technologies, advancement of everything, the number one thing most organizations want to do is to upskill their own workforce. And also they want to know what is the best talent strategy to pivot to the new, to help their own employees and other people to make sure that they are set up for success for the future. So the number one problem we have seen is the short lifespan of skills. The skills that are relevant today will not be relevant in 5 years. We have also seen that talent shortage is the number one problem C-suite is facing today. So what can we do about it? Until now, there used to be a lot of manual solutions, but we have come up with a fully AI-powered solution and platform to help all these organizations. So to introduce the solution, first of all, this company is a global food and beverage chain that we were helping. And what they wanted to do was to compare themselves against competitors to make sure that they are able to create a talent transformation journey with the help of AI recommendation and create a talent assessment skills proficiency platform. Now, what's more important to understand here is that it's very important for organizations to look at the employee experience. And this particular client really wanted to create that strategy for the future. So what we did was we have more than 25 machine learning models in our AI solution that do a lot of things. We do skills proficiency calculation. We do skills classification. We cross-reference with labor market data to understand the most emerging hot skills of today. We also try to cross-reference and see what is declining, what will be the future of hot skills, what is important now, what is not important tomorrow. So everything that is required to set up an organization for success. As you can imagine, there are about 25 machine learning models or more that we had in our solution. All these ML models had to run in a complete end-to-end platform. It had to be seamless. And we were supposed to create this in a way where real-time data as well as batch data could commingle and create the insights. So I want to draw your attention to a couple of things we did. Number one is on the Delta Lake. So we used the lakehouse architecture, and we definitely used a lot of Delta Lake because our real-time and batch data and data points had to come together to one place for us to run our machine learning pipelines. And mind you, we had more than 100 machine learning pipelines actually that had to run to create the insights. And insights were changing every time, so they had to be kept up to date. The second is the feature store. We had a lot of data scientists, over 100 data scientists, trying to share features across the organization To set up a company for success, it's important that the features have to be in a centralized store, have to be managed, they could be shared easily, and there should be consistency, so we use the feature store. MLflow, extremely important because we had a lot of machine learning models, like I mentioned, and we followed a process by which they could be versioned and we could track their lineage. Lastly, we used the Databricks workflow to make sure the orchestration is managed. Now, the most important outcome of all of this, we were able to do this for the client and reduce the time it used to take to generate insights from 2 months to 1 hour. And that means time is money, which meant it allowed our clients to make decisions related to the business really quickly. And with that, they saved a lot of money, and plus they were able to generate new revenue streams. Now I would like to talk about Dolly a little bit. So the next part of my presentation is focused on how we have integrated this machine learning solution that I just showed you along with Dolly. So before that, I would like to play a video.
Welcome to a new frontier in intelligent talent management, where large language models and advanced computing join forces to revolutionize the talent acquisition process. Our star player? Dolly, a large language model from Databricks, is now powering our Talent Journey product to radically transform resume parsing to help us match talent with their ideal roles. Traditional resume parsing techniques suffer from limitations when it comes to semantic search, understanding, and extraction of implicit skills, primarily due to the complexity of resumes and their diverse formats. We leveraged Dolly to build a custom resume parser that masterfully extracts essential talent details, skills, current role, experience, education, and certifications from a myriad of resumes. Let's dive into the resume pages of Elon Musk. Unlike conventional methods, fine-tuning Dolly ensures improved consistency and accuracy in information extraction and summarization. With Databricks and Hugging Face, we applied parameter-efficient fine-tuning, PEFT, and low-rank adaptation, low-RA, techniques that reduce computational and storage costs, while still ensuring top-tier results. After training, the fine-tuned Dolly was integrated with LangChain, an open-source framework built for large language models. This combination paved the way for efficient key information extraction from resumes, regardless of their format or template. One major advantage of our fine-tuned large language model, besides its improved performance, is the ability to host our models internally. This approach offers us an additional layer of security, ensuring our clients' data and intellectual property are securely stored within our own environment, reinforcing our commitment to data privacy and protection. With Dolly and Databricks at the core, we are reinventing the talent acquisition process. So, embrace the transformative power of AI-driven solutions in talent management and join us on this groundbreaking journey.
All right. So I hope that might have given you a little bit of idea of how we are using Dolly and for what purpose. I know I am on time and I have 2 minutes, so I want to wrap it up quickly by talking about the solution which you saw earlier. We combined it with Dolly, as you can see here, and we created a fully unified platform, taking the results of resume parsing, extracted result set of skills and everything that Dolly produced, and using that to produce a fully unified solution for our client to help them in their talent matching, talent acquisition process. The most important thing here is this has really helped our clients to make sure they are able to go through multiple sources, multiple resumes, and make the right decisions, because the fine-tuned Dolly that we have is able to extract latent skills, implicit skills, not usually visible.
Thank you so much, Nivedita.
Of course. Thank you.